Welcome back, everyone. Look what we got for you now. 2008 Jeep Wrangler Sahara. Hardtop, power package, windows, locks, tilt, cruise, CD player, auxiliary line in. Got the blacked out wheels on this one. This vehicle's nice and solid, clean, well maintained, serviced, trailer tow pack, factory hardtop. Great little Jeep. Serviced all up, runs, drives perfect. Nice body, nice interior. Clean. This vehicle's going to qualify for a 3-month, 4,500 mile service contract over the complete driveline. Yes, it is an automatic. Great little Jeep. Ready to go, no dash lights on. Guaranteed credit approval program is going to work on this vehicle as well. These are starting around $1,295 down. That really depends on the customer, but we can get you done. First time buyers, troubled credit, previous repos, foreclosures, divorce, we got you covered. Submit an app today, dascleveland.com.